So now I want to create a little more bronzed look and an evening look also. So what I start with is applying a little of a darker eyeshadow on the eyelid, like so. Just blending it out on the eyelid. And this is not the darkest brown, but it gives something to the eye. And I go over here and just soften it out. Yes. And then I will take the gold eyeshadow pen, and then I will just put a little up in the corner here to create some glamour, and just taking my finger and dabbing it out. And I can also go a little down in the corner here just to create a festive look. Like so, using my finger to dab it out. We are ready for applying some mascara. So I just take my mascara and going from the roots to top and fan it a little out, because we don't have a liner now, so therefore the eyelashes has to be a little fanned, and this mascara is just great for that. And out in the corner here, like so, and the other eye into the corner here. I want to go in with the blush. I take this more darker one since it's a more bronzed look. And what I do is just dab a little on, because it is very dark. So you can see it's very dark. So we have to blend this out. I will take a little on the other cheek, and it has to be blended very good out. Yes, and you can also go up a little on the forehead here, just to give a more bronzed look, and down here, not too much, blending it out again. You can do so to hit the right spot on the cheeks, and a little down here. And there's much left on the brush, so, and it's more lighter, so we can do it perfect for the bronzed look. And take your time applying this. And I just prep my skin with a little serum with a couple of drops with some bronzed, it's like small drops I put in a serum and put it on, so it also gives this a little bronzed look. Yes, and then I will take the Mascara Lip Fix, blending it out with my finger. Then I actually want to try something, because I want a more matte lip. So I just want to apply one of the blushes over the Mascara Lip Fix. And I think I will go in with this one. So I just take a little on my finger and then dab it over the lip fix. Can you see it just give a matte look, and it's perfect for the brown eyeshadow with the lip gold pen, in the eye corner, the mascara, the more bronzed blush, and then this matte lip also created with a blush.